Hello, I'm Miss Kelly. What's your name?
My name is Faye.
How are you today?
I am good.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 6
Are you a boy or a girl?
old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nam.
Where do you study?
Study and tech. I will sing over any.
Okay, very good. Who's this?
Uh,
She's a.
sister.
What's this?
It is piano.
What's this?
It is sister.
What's this?
It is
It's a swing.
it is green.
What's this?
It is sandal.
Very good. How do you feel? I'm.
Happy.
Again, how do you feel?
Happy.
How do you feel? I'm. How do you feel? I'm. I'm. Okay. Are you hot? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Are you hot?
No, I am. Yeah, I am.
Are you hot?
No, I am.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Are you cold?
Yeah, I am.
Are you sad?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Let's count how many fish are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14,
13.
13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 59.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.